Hello, welcome to my channel. Don't mind the hair because I have conditioner in it and it's just sitting like that. So I need to do this video before I need to go back upstairs and do my hair. So what I'm bringing to you today is I'm going to show you a crimp style. I have the mannequin right here. Let me get everything positioned. We're going to use the Marcel Irons on crimping the mannequin hair. The products I will be using is the trusty old mannequin, a comb, some spritz. This is soft hold. This is not the max hold because I'm just using it for the mannequin just to demonstrate. So it's just can you see it? Lighting. I think it's there. Let me see. All right, spritz, soft hold, and I have oil sheen. I just placed that right here. I have a can of oil sheen. And I have my trusty old stove is over there. And it's hot. It's good hot. And I have Marcel Crimp Iron. So I have it sitting on the stove, getting heat. The mannequin, I'm only going to do one side of her hair. I just want to show you the technique. Basically, we're going to part it. Yes, the mannequin hair was pretty long, so I was like, you know what, let me show that technique on that. All right, getting busy. All right, so you have the hair, and if you was doing this on your hair, you'll be doing the same thing. You just comb it, part it, take you some spritz, either light hold or soft hold, and you spray it down. Spritz gonna allow it to take form. Comb it through. I also follow up with an oil sheen. You know, spritz has this alcohol, and when heat hit it, I just hold it up like that. I'm gonna grab my Marcel Iron out of the stove. This is the Marcel Iron. And when I put it in, I want to put it where it opens up like this. All right, sorry about that. Phone wrong. Had to get the phone. So, back to it again. Back in action. We done prepped it. We have it. It's comb. You want it hot comb. You want to open this way because it's going to give it this crimp style. And you hold it. You see the smoke and you hear it sizzle because of the spritz and the oil sheen. Let it go. Come on back on top of the next one. Now I'm doing large sections. You normally want to take small sections. You want your section to be a little bit smaller than the curling iron so that when it closes, you won't have no hair left out. And these are the crimps, hot crimp curls. You see, every time I go down to the next one, I put the bottom comb on top of where I left off so that you don't have no spaces in between. Basically, I'll show you. You see this hoop right here and this hoop right here. So when I come down, I will bring this one down here and then start a new row like that. So that allows it to form. And then we put our iron back inside of our heater and start the process over again. Here, we'll start the process over again. I'm in my basement, so I'm trying to make sure you get a good angle as to what I'm doing. Basically, you want to comb it through, and you want to take the hot comb, make sure it's not too hot. So you also take it and put it on a towel. Make sure it's not too hot. Count a few seconds. I don't want to melt the hair, because this count, it does get nice and hot. Let me turn it a little bit so I can put it in. And you just want to crimp it. Crimp it. Lift it up a little bit so you can see. And as you see, I have it, but the parting is so wide that all the hair on this side is not in. But that's okay, because I'm showing you the technique. Normally, like I said, when you're doing this technique, you want to make sure that the hair is lined up on the inside. You don't want your parting too big, because part of the crimp, as you see, won't get taken. I turned the opposite direction so I could try to get a better angle. Don't worry about the basement. Some stuff over there on the table. A lot of product I've been bringing down, trying to get set up in the basement. I'm moving things around. I just purchased this house in March, so still trying to get organized and settled. Hit that like and subscribe button. Help your girl get to 1,000 views. Crimps was real big back in, I would say, late 80s, early 90s. I used to do them a lot. That's why I still have these combs. Like these Marcel Irons are the truth. And between putting in weaves and doing the crimps, your crimp hairstyle can last someone at least almost two weeks. At least almost 2 weeks, depending on how much spritz you put on the hair, because the spritz is what makes it hard. You know what I mean? So you put enough spritz. And like I said, the spritz that I'm using right now is the soft hold. So if I get the max hold spritz, it will be nice and crisp. And basically back in the day, that's how the ladies wore their hair, nice and crisp. You a nice little wave style up front and did your crimps in the back. And it lasts. And when you're doing this, you make sure the comb is not resting on the person's scalp. You have the comb lifted up. This is called crimping with Marcel Irons. Crimping the hair with Marcel Irons. Now this is just a mannequin. Now when you have weave hair, oh, it looks so nice. That it do. And I'm not talking about on the weave hair that's the human hair. I'm talking about the human blend hair. It comes out really, really nice on the human blend hair. Because think about it, the human hair is not going to crimp like this. Okay, because it's not going to hold, it's not going to last. You'll need the human blend hair in order for it to last. In order for you to get this crimp style. And then what you would do with that is, hey baby, you'll spray it down. If you want to comb your crimps out, you spray it down and you take the tip of your rat tail comb and you just come through it. And that's how you blend them in. And there you have it. Your crimps. Hot Marcel Crimp Curls. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button, please. Hit that like and subscribe button, please. Hit that like and subscribe button, please, girl.